and welcome to the Public Forum. I am Leslie, and we are going to be taking questions and comments from all of you.
Do you want to go? No? Okay. Hi, yes, I have a complaint about a hazardous area near my neighborhood. My nephew injured himself in this pit.
Wow, that does sound very dangerous. We will get right on it. Let's go right now.
Look, this area is extremely dangerous to everyone in this community. I feel that we need to do something about it for the safety of people.
See? Look at that child.
No. We will definitely get on this. Together, we will build a park.
Okay.
So where should we start into building this park?
I really don't know. I think we need to start with measurements of the playground equipment.
I think you're right. Do you know anything about math?
Not really, do you?
Not really. How are we going to start this park without knowing anything about math?
Wow.
Did someone say math?
Yes.
Well, you're in luck. We just happen to be world-renowned mathematicians, and we're here to help you.
Okay, thank you. That would actually be great.
We specialize in trigonometric construction.
That is very convenient.
Yes, it is, because trigonometric construction is absolutely essential when building utilities such as a slide or a swing set for a park.
Really? How so?
Elements of trigonometry are everywhere in the field of construction. When you need to decide how far away something is from a wall or how tall something needs to be, trigonometry is used to determine all of that.
Wow!
Well, we were thinking about beginning with building a slide first.
Okay, great! Let's get started. First, in order to use trigonometry successfully in construction, we must draw a triangle to symbolize the slide in this equation. When the slide itself meets the ground, it makes an angle of 35 degrees. We know that the steps of the slide are 3 feet tall, and we are trying to see just how long the length of the slide needs to be in order for a toddler to be able to safely slide down it. With this, we have our opposite and hypotenuse sides of our triangle. And using our trigonometry functions, we know that when we have our opposite and hypotenuse side, we are able to use the trig function of sine. So now we have sine of 35 degrees is equal to 3 over x. We now need to multiply each side by x in order to isolate our variable. Now that we have x on the other side and 3 is by itself, we now divide sine of 35 by sine of 35 in order to get x alone and reveal our answer. We continue to do this to the other side and divide 3 by sine of 35. Now, when we get our calculator and we calculate 3 divided by sine of 35, we then get 5.230. So, how long does the length of the slide need to be in order for a toddler to be able to slide down it? The length of the slide needs to be 5.230 feet. And by using equations similar to this one, we are able to figure out all the rest of the construction elements that goes into making a park. All by using trigonometry functions.
I'm so glad that we're able to finish this amazing park.
Me too. Look at how this child is enjoying this safe and fun area.
I know, it's so amazing that we could use math, especially trig functions.